Hello, and welcome back. Today we will continue with the next video doing our first script in Selenium. If you missed last video configuring our environment for Selenium, you can go to our automation testing playlist. Well, let's go back to the project we have created. Let's add other comment about what kind of browser we want for our script. For example, Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari. Remember that this structure we are defining with comments is the structure that we will be given to the logical of our test script. First, select the browser. Second, open the website, do the actions, and close the website. We will start adding the instruction for setting the kind of browser. We set webdriver.chrome.chrome driver in the first field. And in the value, we set the ChromeDriver.x. We need to get the Chrome driver for our test script. So we need to download it from the official website. Set it into a specific path and set the path in the value field. I created a folder called driver, where I will put all the drivers I will be needed for our Selenium testing scripts. I will download this version for the Chrome driver. Sometimes we need to validate that we have the correct version of the Chrome driver. If not, our test script may not work. Now we have it in our folder, let's set it in our test script. Now we have to create an instance of a WebDriver. In this instance we have to point what kind of instance we want for our test script. In this case we want a Chrome browser, so we set like this. As you can see, Eclipse is indicating us that we have an error on our test script, in the WebDriver and ChromeDriver words. So what we need to do is to import the libraries for each one. Doing this simple steps we can import the libraries. If you cannot see this options is because you do not have set up your environment correctly. Now we have selected the browser, let's open the web page with this instruction. Now we can set some instructions to be executed in the specific website we set. But at this time, let's add other steps like closing the website. So, we have the instructions to select a browser, open a website and close a website. Let's run the script, but before running it, I will comment the close instruction, in order you can see the browser opens and goes to the specific website. As you can see, the browser opened, and went to the specific website. And there is a message in the browser saying that an automated testing software is controlling Chrome. Now, I will add a thread. For waiting some seconds after the instruction of opening the website, I will add 5000 milliseconds, that are around 5 seconds. And I will activate the instruction for closing the website. And run the test again. Now I will be doing some print lines after every step that is executed, just to be monitoring which step is being executed in the console. As you can see, we can monitor in the console what is being executed. Congratulations! You have executed your first script with some Selenium instructions. In our next video we will be changing our driver, using more browsers like Internet Explorer and Firefox. Thanks.